Google Chat most uses some keyboard shortcuts. I usually use those shortcuts. For chat and space action, if I press Ctrl plus O, then it will check all of the spaces, browse spaces. Like if I press Ctrl O, it's searching rest of the spaces. And if I press Ctrl I, then it will suggest me for create a new space. If I press Ctrl plus I, it's suggesting me for give a name like HR. Now HR space is created. Okay, then for message writing, shift plus enter. Then if you want to go to the next line, just press shift and enter, then you can write here. Then there is an option is search in chats or space. If you want to search, then just you want to search here, just then there is an option is text formatting. So this is very common, like then you can easily, if you want to bold the market, then Ctrl B, or also you can use Ctrl I for italic, and also use Ctrl plus U for underline. Those are text formatting actually shortcut. If you need more shortcuts, then you just press this command, then you can see all of the keyboard shortcuts, and you can use as per your required. Thank you for watching.